my opinion, for larger metallic work, this is the perfect solution.
Big Kaiser, we have various cutting tool programs. For example, Full-Cuttom is one of our most famous cutting tools program.
Here at Big Kaiser products are actually used in their own manufacturing process. And here is the tool presetting area.
The idea is that you can measure, set your tool length and radius on the machine, in the machine process.
This machine here has roughly 2,400 sets. In each cassette is about 3.5 tonne that you can hold.
Bioengineering this year celebrates 70 years in business. It's been supporting some blue chip companies for all of those years.
I like everything. There's a lot of good features on there, easy to program, quick to program, get more jobs churned out quicker.
But we're now offering this extra performance package, which is a heavier spindle, more speed, faster wrappers, etc.
You've just won the Star Prize, which is a GS150 hard-hinge CNC lathe with all of the equipment on it to the tune of over £90,000.
We've got our CR35 AA robot here, 35 kilo payload robot that allows people to work in the presence of a robot without traditional guarding and interlocks.
We've been using Javelin for 15, 16 years now, so it really is part of the family at Future, and we use it for everything from the initial estimate to the invoice.
Out and About is our exclusive lubrication provider. They provide us with soluble cutting oils, they also provide us with lubrication for our machinery.
We were looking at renewing our old equipment and you start to shop around as you do. We got a really good feeling from the team at Haas. They seemed interested in what we were doing, they were really nice to work with. It was almost a one-stop shop actually.
It's been fantastic. We are quite surprised with the turnout, but we still had quite a lot of customers coming in through the door, and we have some orders, so yeah, happy days.
Day 2 of the Romy Open House here in Rugby. There's already visitors turning up and it's just after 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, the first thing that caught my eye was the power of the driven tools, and there's just the solid construction, the size of the turret.
Sagatec are our preferred tooling supplier, have been since 2002, so a long relationship.
The Zaya KM30. It's a reconditioned machine, it's a retrofit machine, and you can buy one of these types of machines from Asquith and Butler in the UK. Ugar's 65 twin turret SY turning centre. This part has been manufactured on this machine in one hit, and they've reduced the cycle time by over 60% thanks to this technology.